When the MG Hector first launched, it was called India's Internet SUV, and it completely changed how people saw connected cars. But in 2025, with strong rivals everywhere, does the Hector still hold its ground, or has it become all show and no go? Let's find out. The Hector has been AMG's biggest success story in India. Big, bold, and packed with tech, it quickly became a family favorite. But with newer SUVs like the Tata Harrier, Safari, and Mahindra XUV 700 upping their game, the competition has never been tougher. So, is the Hector still worth your money in 2025? From the outside, the AMG Hector still makes a statement. The massive diamond pattern grille, connected LED tail lamps, and sleek DRLs give it huge road presence. It's bold, premium, and definitely stands out. While some say it's a little too flashy compared to rugged rivals. You can't deny it turns heads wherever it goes. Even in a parking lot full of SUVs, the Hector's commanding design and chrome-heavy front make it look more expensive than its price tag suggests. Step inside, and this is where the Hector impresses most. You get the largest 14-inch touchscreen in its class, a digital driver display, panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, and level 2 ADAS. The cabin feels luxurious, airy, and extremely spacious. It's more of a comfort-focused family SUV than a sporty one. Every detail feels designed for convenience and relaxation. Soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and plush leather seats make long journeys feel effortless and premium. Powering the Hector are two engines, a 1.5-liter turbo petrol and a 2.0-liter diesel. Both offer decent power and refinement, but the Hector prioritizes smoothness over sporty handling. It's great for city drives and long highway cruises. But if you're looking for thrills, the Harrier or XUV 700 will suit you better. The 2025 milligrams Hector is priced between 15 lakh rupees and 23 lakh rupees, making it one of the most feature-rich SUVs in this price range. It offers unmatched comfort and tech for families, while rivals deliver a bit more excitement behind the wheel. The Hector Plus version even adds a third row, making it ideal for larger families who value practicality and luxury together. As of 2025, its official Bharat NCAP safety rating is awaited. The older global NCAP version scored 3 stars back in 2019. But this updated model with 6 airbags, ESP, and ADAS is expected to do far better under BNCAP testing. Positives: big road presence, feature-loaded interior, great comfort, ADAS safety. Negatives: not sporty to drive, flashy for some tastes, limited service reach. So tell me, for around 20 lakh rupees, would you pick the tech-savvy AMG Hector or the rugged Tata Harrier? Comment below. I'd love to see your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Next up is the Hector vs Harrier vs XUV 700 face-off. And it's going to be a fierce battle. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary based on GST and market updates.